Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create Bitmoji on Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app. Now click on the profile icon on the top left corner. Now click on the settings option in the top right corner. Here you can see the Bitmoji option. Click on it. Now click on create my avatar option. Select the two given options according to your gender. Now show your face to the camera in center. After you do that, it will give you several options and select the one you like. Or if you want to customize your Bitmoji in your own way, then click on skip in the top right corner. And here you'll be given with several options to customize your Bitmoji as you like. You can see that every option has a wide variety, so that you can create your Bitmoji according to your liking. Here I just created my Bitmoji. Now click on the save button. And that is how you create Bitmoji on Snapchat. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.